Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar slightly recovered, consolidating recent moves after Friday's trio of market-moving events that showcase the fragility of the greenback. A dismal US jobs report, the resignation of a Federal Reserve governor, and President Donald Trump's firing of a top statistics official. Gold prices rose for a third straight session after last week's economic data fueled expectations of interest rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve. Spot gold rose to its highest since July the 24th. Wall Street's main indexes bounced back after a sharp pullback in the previous session, buoyed by growing expectations of deeper Federal Reserve interest rate cuts following an unexpectedly weak jobs report.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Gold prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.